viewers, welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Sadhna and today I'm going to react on Mega Blast Glimpse from Vishwambara starring Mega Star Chiranjeevi. A very happy advance birthday to Mega Star Chiranjeevi sir. But if you came here for the first time, hi, I'm Sadhna. I do reaction here on trailer, teaser, song, glimpse, promos, etc. etc. If you're interested in this kind of video, please do consider subscribing. Also follow my Instagram, link will be in description box. But for now, let's start.
విశ్వంబరలో అసలేం జరిగిందో ఈరోజైనా చెప్తావా మురా?
ఒక సంహారం, దాని తాలూకు యుద్ధం.
అర్థం కాలేదు.
ఒక్కడి స్వార్థం యుద్ధంగా మారి అంతులేని భయాన్ని ఇచ్చింది. అంతకు మించిన మరణ శాసనాన్ని రాసింది. కొన ఊపిరితో బ్రతికున్న ఓ సమూహం తాలూకు నమ్మకం. అలసిపోని ఆశయానికి ఊపిరి పోసేవాడు కొనొస్తాడని. ఆగని యుద్ధాన్ని యుగాల పాటు పిడికిలి బిగించి చెప్పుకునేలా ముగిస్తాడని గొప్పగా ఎదురు చూసింది.
ఎవరతను?
Vishwambara! Oh, like it. Summer 2026. Yeah, let's watch in Hindi. Okay, guys. So, जैसे कि हमने मेगा ब्लास्ट का ग्लिम्स देख लिया है, देखने में तो मुझे ग्लिम्स बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा, बट मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ समझ में नहीं आया क्योंकि obviously I can't understand the language and at the same time there were no subtitles, but it is about some old stories someone is telling, right? Like the visuals and whatever they are showing in the glimpse, whatever we have seen, I am feeling excited just to see that glimpse, especially that light last shot when he was holding a eye on his hand, that much big eye of what I don't know. But yeah, it was looking fantastic, like all the glimpse, like whatever the glimpse was there and all these shots which was graphics and all these things were definitely looking fantastic. As he said in morning that we are just working on everything, it was really looking fantastic. But this movie is coming in summer of 2026, so we have to wait at least 8 to 9 months, yeah, which I can't wait after seeing this glimpse for sure. But yeah, this was looking super fantastic. Obviously I can't uncode it much, but yeah, whatever it was looking good. Only the starting of the video, like a scorpio is coming out of that sand and all, like every visual was looking good actually, yeah, that I must say. And then there is some kind of something was there, like that round thing in which there was star, and they showed that on the book of Vishwambara also, some book kind of something was there. It is looking like related to spiritual and some world of making of something, I don't know, like we have to see the teasers and all, or when it will come in Hindi I will get to know like more about it. And I think if it will get subtitles also, I will know a lot what is there. So I think, yeah, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. I will see you super soon in your commented video. Till then, bye bye.